So, hello everyone. This is Ashish Kumar, Assistant Professor at MIT Muzaffarpur. Now, we are going to have the lecture on computation of rates of PCC, that is plain cement concrete. So, let's move. So, uh, now we can see the plain PCC, plain cement concrete. So of M15 quantity, what we are trying to see. So we have nominal mix of 1 is to 2.5 is to 5 is the proportion what we are trying to have, and these has to be for the technical specification clause. Different clauses are there. This is for the basically substructure portions, maybe in the culvert or maybe in the foundation, you can say. So you can see you have different materials: cement, coarse sand, then 40 aggregate, 20 aggregate, 10 aggregate. These all has been taken from the analysis of rates published by CPWD or maybe a Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, or maybe MORD. These has been taken from MORD, Ministry of Rural Development. Then labor component is also there. Then in machinery you have concrete mixer requirement is there. Obviously, for the producing plain cement concrete, you need concrete mixture also. Then formwork is also required, so formwork cost is also there. Then overhead, that is a contractor's profit is 12.5% has been taken. Then a rate per cubic meter, and then carriage cost is also taken separately. For the cement you need to brought from somewhere, so for cement you have carriage cost. Then carriage cost of coarse sand, you need fine aggregate, for that also you need carriage cost. And then for the aggregate you need different carriage cost. So a rate per cubic meter including carriage has been taken like here, and the total sum is you can see the total sum what we have. So what I am trying to have it, let's see the cement and maybe coarse sand, you can see, and how these rates have been arrived for the cement, that is in ton. The rate has been 5194.60. So let's see how this 94.60 has been arrived. So you can see from, yeah. So this is 5194. It is coming cement of OPC for 43 grade is the rate of 5194.60, and this basic rate is being taken from along with the carriage from the basic rates of the materials what we have. So basic rates you have seen, and we will see the your the rate for the different carriers also. So now we can see like 40 aggregate rate. Again we can go to the sheet of the basic material what we have. So here you can see the aggregate of 40 rate is 494.515. So whether the royalty has to be added or not. So basic rate sheet has already been derived. So description unit and basic rate excluding royalty is there, and add royalty, the sum of the material you need to pay the royalty to the government. So that has been added, and then we have arrived at final rate. So in similar manner, we have taken the rates for the machinery also. So these all we have seen in your standard data book. And then now we can see the how the carriage cost has been taken. Let's start with the coarse sand maybe. So how these carriage cost has been taken. So this is regarding a coarse sand. So in cubic meter, so carriage cost by road it is coming to this much, and carriage cost by rail it is coming to this much, and then minimum of it has been taken as a carriage cost, because we need to optimize our the cost. So you can see here how these are coming. So this is the carriage seat what we have. So the source is fuel is the source for the carriage, and then for fuel is the source for the carriage, then per surface then the total kilometers from fuel to the site, the total kilometer is 187.00, and this is the formula what we are getting from the analysis of rate, and these all multiplied by this, it is coming, the total carriage cost is coming to this. And then for the kacha item, pakka surface is this much, and for the kacha we don't have to calculate for this coarse sand. So total carriage loading and unloading has been added. Similar manner you might have seen in the analysis of rates also, loading and unloading charges has been given. So the total summing up the carriage cost is 24,328.30 plus 102 0.85. So total cost carriage cost is coming to 2511.23, and these carriage cost is for the one like cubic meter of the materials. So from in a very similar manner it is coming for the aggregate also, and then these are the rate of the aggregate carriage of the aggregate. So you have added the entire material cost, then carriage you have added. So for the per cubic meter of the PCC, the total cost of will be 5746.55 rupees, and it is including the carriage cost, and then it is kind of finished item, the rate of the finished item including the contractor's profit what we have. So in similar manner we are able to calculate the quantities of different items. So the analysis of rates of M15 concrete has already been explained by me. So thank you so much. Uh, join join for the next class. We will be dealing with the plastering work, and maybe some of the work what we have. So thank you so much.